Well, it always, well, not always, but it so often comes back to this. We're just going to have to agree to disagree. I got this way of thinking about things, and I think, ABC is funny, and you want to fucking complain about shit. But you don't offer anything else, what comes after ABC is D, E, F, D, F, D, E, F. You could use D, E, F. Fuck that. Fuck that. I mean, I just find it funny. People who want to fucking complain, oh, you're not funny. You're not very funny. You don't have, you're not funny. And then these people, that's all they fucking do is complain. They don't offer anything better. Okay, if I'm not funny, what's funny, motherfucker? Tell me what's funny. Guess what you hear when you ask them that question? When you make that statement? Nada. Fucking nothing. 0, 86, so on and so forth. Shit. It's harsh. I mean, I feel like I'm being mean, but they put you in that situation. They're just fucking. All they got is whine, 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 whine. Then whine some more, fuckers. So you're put in a situation where you have to defend yourself. Well, I don't think these people are right in the head. But you can't get away with that. You can't fucking get away with that. I mean, all the fucking activists, all over us, independent dudes, Especially if you write controversial shit, that involves animal death and all that stuff. So, these motherfuckers. How long do we have to put up with this shit? They just sit out there smiling, sitting in their little fucking conclaves. I think they got conclaves. That's a place where a bunch of gay fucking stupid people fucking hang out. I got nothing against gay. I mean, go ahead, stick the dick in the ass. I mean, fucking slam it in there. I'm not against that. I mean, fuck it. I mean, I think the whole fucking thing, sex is just a violent act. It's like, fuck, even you. I mean, if it weren't for the fact that we end up with us, I mean, shit. I mean, we are all, products of somebody sticking a dick in a hole somewhere and slamming it in the wham. So I'm not against that. I mean, I'm not proud of it. I really wish there was another way. I mean, I wish we could just shake hands or something. I want a child here. Let's shake hands, and would you have it? Oh, this is so much more fucking civil. Man, there's got to be another way other than all this fucking humping and crazy shit and breathing hard. Oh, fuck. it just seems so fucking cheap. I mean, it's like, fuck, we're all just fucking animals. I mean, I don't want to be one of those. I'd rather fucking, shake hands and okay, you do, all right, you spit it out, okay? 9 months from now, all right, there you go. Here, how much you want? But no, we got to go through all the fucking violent fucking huffing and puffing and fucking and all that shit. It just makes us look like any other fucking animal. Have you ever watched I think the most interesting thing I've ever seen, I've seen dogs fuck a lot, growing up in the neighborhood. But one time I got this opportunity to watch a lion fuck a lioness, whatever they're called. It was fucking amazing. I mean, whew, you talk about some purring going on. Those are... that lioness, what do they call those? What do they call them? That fucking lion, a big old fucking mane. He had a big mane of hair, and he was just fucking... He was looking up into the sky, and just... He was stabbing it in there, and she, whatever the fucking lioness, what do they call those? Oh, she was smiling. Have you ever seen a lioness smile? She just fucking loved it, man. She was like, oh, stab me, lion, stab me. I've seen a lot of dogs fuck. Growing up in my neighborhood, one time, a couple of dogs got stuck. My dog, we had a little dachshund, and this fucking German Shepherd in the neighborhood tried to fuck it, and German Shepherd got his dick stuck in my dachshund, and we're watching them. They're wandering around the streets, they're all stuck together. My fucking buddy Jay. Oh man, his parents were a kick. And both of them were like university professors, and so they had the talk. So, this is how sex works, and blah blah blah. So Jay was, he was bold, man. I got other stories about Jay under the house with Terry Tiedemann. I'll save that one. Anyway, Jay. The fucking dogs are wandering around. They're all stuck together. And Jay just went up and put his hands in there, where it sticks in. And he just pulled and pulled and pulled until the fucking German Shepherd ran off in one direction, and my little dachshund ran off in the other direction screaming. Nobody seemed pleased. It didn't seem like there was any enjoyment at all going on there. Oh, fuck. So what do you have to say? I don't know. But I've been told. Pretty little women. Motherfucker. So this is the way things go out, You got this and that, you got that and this, and then, everybody's not happy, and some people are happy, and well, how can everybody not be happy? And so that doesn't make fucking sense. Let me think that over again. So anyway, nobody's happy. Nobody's happy. And nobody likes to see dogs fuck. That's just... you watch that, it makes you hurt. It's like... especially if it's a big dog fucking your little dog. Little dog is just, looks like it's in pain. It's got. Have you ever seen dachshund eyes when the eyes on a dachshund when it's getting fucked by a German Shepherd? The fucking eyes are just like wide open. That's just, what's happening to me? What's happening to me? Why do I deserve? Oh, this feels pretty good though. Why do I deserve this? Oh, I like that. I don't pretend to know all the answers. I don't even pretend to know some of the answers. And I really don't pretend much. I do once in a while, just for fun. But what I do know is that we're living in a ridiculous world with a lot of ridiculous people. And, if you get to laugh once in a while, if you watch the fucking German Shepherd fuck the ducks, and that's probably how you're gonna get out of this. The equation. That's pretty funny. Yeah, not funny for the ducks, but that's all you got, and that's about all I got to say.